Hi, third graders. It's so good to see you. Today in math, we are talking about line plots and measurement. So we're still talking about fractions, but now we're talking about how we can take those fractions and we can insert them into a line plot. And I just wanted to remind you, this is our line plot. A line plot is, of course, a line with numbers that fit your data, and then you plot however many data sets match that number. Line plots are so great because you can see which one has the long, which one has the most, the least, which one has the same amount as someone else. So a line plot is quick and easy to gather data and then make observations about that data. So we're going to start today with a solve and share. So the solve and share, if you have your math book at home, is on page 639. And if you don't, this on the computer screen is the same solve and share you would see there. So I'm going to read it first. Monica and her friends measured the length of their shoes. Show the data by marking a dot for each length on the number line. Measure the length of one of your shoes, add a dot to represent the length on the number line. What length occurred the most often? So this is kind of tricky for us to do all together because we all don't have it in front of us, but if you want to recreate this line plot, and we're going to graph the dots together, and then you can graph the size of your shoe if you would like and see if it changes your data. So we're going to start with the first. Monica and her friends measure the length of their shoes. We're going to show the data by marking a dot for each length on the number line. So here are our lengths, all in fourth measurements. And if you look carefully, the number line starts at the lowest number, which is 8, and it ends at the highest number, which is 9 3/4. And it goes in order: 8, 8 1/4, 8 2/4, 8 3/4, 9, because we know that 8 4/4 would really just be 9. 9 1/4, 9 2/4, 9 3/4. So over here, I'm going to take this little marker and I'm going to make yellow dots. And so we have one friend with 8, one friend with 8 2/4, one friend 9 1/4, one friend 8 2/4, one friend 9 1/4, one friend 9, one friend 9 1/4, one friend 9, and one friend 8 1/4. And I'm going to stop there. I'm not going to do my own shoe. So when we look at this data, we have a line plot where we have 1, 8. So that's obviously the one with the least. The ones with the most on our line plot without measuring our shoe would be 8 2/4 and 9 1/4 because they both have 3. So today's solve and share was just looking at data and graphing that on a line plot. You will be working on that in your practice, and then you're doing a Kahoot today to practice measurement and line plots. So you'll look at line plots and you'll observe data, and you have to tell me what that data is saying, and you'll also be measuring to the nearest 1/4 inch. So just remember, a 1/4 inch goes with the denominator of 4. There are 4 whole pieces to make a whole. I hope this helped you, and I hope you do your best job on your practice buddy, and I will see you tomorrow.